Hello everyone, welcome to this Python tutorial series, and in this video I'm going to talk about output formatting in Python. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Now as you can see, there are three ways that we can done output formatting. The first way is modulo operator, the second way is format function, and the third way is using fstring formatting. So first we need to talk about what is output formatting. Okay, so let's just say now we want to print hi, my name is Karan. Okay, so this is easy. Or let's say you want to print uh, let's say you want to print a equal to 5 and you want to print a. But how are you going to print a and this string together in this same line? So for that you can use comma and then type a, and then again you can use comma if you want to add another string like anything. And now if I run hi, my name is Karan 5 and whatever it is. But the problem with this is that you can't set the precision or you can't output the variable. For example, a is equal to 5.666. Now the output will be this. But what if I want the precision to be just 2-digit precision? So what are we gonna do in that condition? The first function is modulo operator. Now how can we use modulo operator? A is equal to, let's say, 5 and b is equal to, let's say, 6.555. Now I want to print something, and wherever I want to print the variable, what I can do is I can use modulo operator. My first number is modulo, and for integer I will write d. But for now I will write d. For integer I will write d, and let's say, and second number is modulo f. Now what I'm going to do is I will use comma, then write modulo, and then in brackets I will pass my variables that I want in the same order that in which I want it. Like here it is going to pass a, and here it is going to pass b. And f is used for floating and d is used for integer values. So this is an invalid syntax, and this should be invalid syntax. Yes. So we will not use comma, and the first number is 5 and the second number is this. Now you must be thinking that we can do the same thing without using the modulo operator, but what we can do special here is this. Like if you want the precision to be, let's say, just 2 digit, so what you can do is point to f, and now it is going to print just like this. Now say, let's say, I don't know, now let's say I want 5 to take 2 place digits, so I'm going to write 2d. Now it is taking 2 place digit, and if I say I want, like, it is printing only 3 digits, but I want it to be like 10 digits. No, now it is taking 10 digits, but the precision is only up to 2. Okay, now the next thing that I want to talk about is format function. Now we can do the same thing with format function. How format function does is that, let's just say we want to remove these, and here we will use curly brace in brackets, and after the string we will use the format dot format, and we will pass the values a comma b. The first number is 5 and the second number is 6.55. Now you can also pass with indexes like 1 and 0, so it would be this. So you can change the index, or you can change the value here. Now the how can you format these things like you did in the modulo, like you did here with the modulus operator? So it is pretty simple. Now just use colon after your index, and what you need to do is then you need to do the same thing like 2d, and here you can do 5.2 f. Now it is doing the same thing, like it is using two character spaces here because we use two, and here it is using five character space and only two precision up to two digits. Okay, so that is the second way and it is very easy. My favorite one is f string formatting, which is very easy, which is very easy. Like just say uh, my what we need to do is we need to type f, and after that we need to start our string. So my first number is a, and my second number is b. So here you can just directly provide your variable name inside the curly braces and it is going to print them. And it is very easy, like it shows me the perfect way how I can do that. Now here we can do that same exact thing, same exact thing, like just use 2D or just use 4.5 or let's say 4.3. Okay, sorry, 4.3 f, and we have to use the colon. So the my first number is 5 and the second number is 6.555 because this time I set the precision to 3. So let me just give you an overview. So this 3 represent the number of digit after the decimal places, and this f represent the floating point number, and this t represent what do we say your integer. Now this 2 represent how many character spaces will your variable take. This 4 also represent how many character places will your um, variable take. So I guess this is it for the video, guys, and I'll see you next time.